Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford F-250 Super Duty truck here. So if you've got this key fob, you may have a different one. Check on my page for the other fobs. But if you've got this one, it's actually a fairly easy change. You can see this fob kind of has a line that goes all around here. And so we need to be able to separate this into two pieces to get access to the internal battery. So the best way to do this is in kind of the upper right corner here, right where my right index finger is. There's a little notch. I don't know if you can see that. There's a notch right there, and you need to get in there and get some leverage to be able to separate these two pieces. So if you have a flathead screwdriver, that works, or just another key I've found actually works really well. Get right in that notch and then just twist it, and you'll get some separation between the two pieces. You can go where the key ring might go as well, and you'll be able to pop off this main piece from the back here. There's a little rubber piece that may come off. Just make sure and put this back on this side, or to make sure that this little round section here covers the battery. So the battery you'll need to replace is a CR2032. Pop it out. You can just flip it over and it'll actually just fall right out. So make sure when you grab a new CR2032 that the plus side is facing you. So you should see the lettering when you put it back in. And it kind of has a little bounce to it, but just leave it there. And then take your backing. Just go ahead and pop that back in. Snap everything into place, and that's it. You've changed the battery on the Ford F-250, and this was used from years 2011 to 2016 or so. So it's a little bit of an older fob, but it might be one they have to replace now. And again, the battery for this is a CR2032 for your F-250.